Yes, we are on Weezy's set, a country called Ghana, with the Nigerians and Ghanaians combined. Watch out.
Bidiane Kwadwo Nkansah Lil can call me to my next broken number. Come soon have a short movie no more. Be a professor. The whole community. I'm the only person I can speak English in this community. When the white man came, he speak the letter to me. I'm the translator to the people of the village, you know. And the two, I'm the producer of this movie, executive producer of this movie. Yeah. I don't talk much, I just show action. Executive producer Biano. What's one answer that I be my bachelor? Executive, my PC, I mean, yes, and Cabo Bonanki. And the same time, actor. Now, my name story, and so I'm at more stories, you know. Mission history now. There's a powerful story, and the whole from day one starting movie, you know. The story be said, come out, and I got it with me, can be said that. You know, as executive producer, start to touch my command now, say, this is doing with you, man. Now, you get in the future. I feel so, when I permit me, hear me and fire inquire as a Ghanaian artist in inquiry. They want to put as an inquiry about that. You put something into the soup. A woman, number hot who do and pee upon chin with giant scan in and about for the number of young quite. I'm an young quite, Debbie. If you have money, you can put more audience or more meat into the soup. I can't hear or chain, a doa, or small, the soup become suitable. As I put more stars into this movie. The legends from outside the country put it into the movie so that the movie become the powerful and they come to the non-story. You enjoy the stars, enjoy the storyline, enjoy the everything. Our challenge there, baby, was if you're executive producer, I'm executive. I say I'm a tenant fee. Nanka me major update. As myself, actor. I miss a go into the pressure free about no pressure free about everything. You know, challenge the film because Yaman I'm the boy because at the chain be out the young person away. And what do you and the way you come? And then at all the way you continue. And would be an started humano. You didn't wait for first day escalator for the fourth day to start humano. Your call, now we are saying your call win ho, your call win ho. May relax it because Sanka me Ghana for Numa. And Macas what you may do. You call it in the two. Police have been to do, everybody said that we're and I bay if you know a technical problem about or so we and fan should be a piano. We have to challenge this before we break the challenge. The break challenge we and I feel you man or channel. And you know, challenge is Sika firm accommodation one more thing because in Nipa I am more than 70 to 80 will be able to as a special eyes for the ambassador still and so. Menus one of pie, you are not to be a news woman and 4 imagine deeper almost 100 and no issue short and on us sachet in bottle 1 3 say and no canancha where fair no you know good on a pie when you may in easy with a bed. We were starting one Casancasa down only 3 Nigerians in the dano. It may be a consume more than 5 times 6 times per day. Yes, and son of a year I can you now be the and then we didn't know every day we are than a more monopa. We send you almost 1,500. All the food, budget, different food. At least some soft drinks be eating a lot. As I said, because we don't bring it, the legends in free outside about make them happy. So that after this work, if you want to do the other work, you come with the street. Yeah, twas I found any so. Yammy Dana, I'm a dino. Two my dog crying you. Yammy minty, my town for Biambeha. A cool, made in the queen. Made in the start of my phone chain, and I'm a day executive in that phone chain. I want to serve my people as a legends. I'm the small boy. I put everything on mute down. Then I'm changing. I'm turning like slaves. I want to say or some song or more sampa. almost am pass go mean see that almost probation wako set p so the case be so how am buying as a small boy like a producer na was I style of my Ghana mu pack see na wo ja bi na fe wo sum ye small ho na wo kona ba here na de ba okutokuto na pado no bedi no pa fo we fe no about me something bi mpe no mo mo ntino hu bi da manage I insure all the stars when you know Charles and Ayuro every day he blessing me. Oh, you this guy, God bless you. I'm telling you, I'm so happy. Some of some legend. Some person some Ghana 4 stars so. I was about being more continue OG for no power the money. I feel force me bearman was a beautiful no. I'm bearman tell you be tell me so say papa no. Forget stars serve them very well. Oh na hi we go hi Ghana phone me. I said me can me ya me. After this work, next Hollywood actor. I'm telling you, after this work, the next a Hollywood actor. I promise Ghanaians. Mr. Ghana fan Hollywood. Me, I bring myself to the Hollywood. Me remember call my Hollywood for us. You know, you already know because where you mama have Cocozi. We shoot all the stars, more than 85 stars. Musicians more than 50. All the artists in Ghana. And the second, a job of 4. I'm the Colombia and the 2 last one, Mr. President. It may look I know you're the busy that they win there a pop down. As my pocket. Minica Pro, there's a human who bring tea. Men perceive a little skin of a yard, we am a yard, the pack. Missing a maid that come in. Minica Pro. The Bob and the Skype Premium movie. 5th and the 6th May. Same this kind of this big board and banners, everything. Said the president. The president one promotion got Bocambe 300,000. 3 billion. Big boy more than 60 or 17. Big boy been 5,000 per just 1 month. We didn't hear a lot. A second and 4 FA man. Not one when you be we are our choose one television station. Say Bakasa. Premium Ghana phone really free. They are say Ghana companies, you know. It was for and some for Vodafone, MTN, Tigo for all the companies in Ghana. This movie, please. Premier on the 5th and the 6th. Come and sponsor me. And maybe I want Netflix. Yeah, I need it. If you catch me, I hope say this movie you will enter Netflix. Powerful. Weezy Empire fans, Weezy Empire TV, YouTube, Instagram, everyone. Yanko Ponshira. More day one, more time or movie, more time or menu room. School I may be you be me time watching young Ponshira, Montum Quanum. More time within next month, next 2 months, next 3 months, you can be my best friend. Keep supporting me. Either like or don't like me, keep supporting me. In this movie, a country called Ghana, God bless you. And me show me on the 5th, on the 6th May, we premiere it. Kumasi More, LG More, Kano ST, Accra, Waja, West More, Silverbird, Accra More. Everywhere. Watch out.
Me doing this Amolapia, which my friend is some power. What I say, we a country called Ghana, hosted by Kwadwo Nkansah Lil. And in fact, our friend big director is a made in fact, scripting be doing so many into the Ghanaians. What I want you to expect is nothing but wonderful. This time around, we beat the Nigerians. What I say, we are beating them, and we're going to nail it as well. You understand? A country called Ghana, and check.
Watch out.
Sikantina medbana jufa minsan kabia misida na mada minya sika mishada mishishutu so ibana maba kajuma divi na venya diji se wonya minti Weezy marini kajuma divi na venya diji